What's up, everybody? This is a little solo match. Killed 3 bots before I started recording. Oh, I see you up there. Ooh. Oh, lucky. Let's rotate. Oh shit. Oh shit. No gun. Ass. Let's find that guy that I was shooting at. Don't see him. Oop, I spotted him. 1 shot. 2 shot. Oh, lay down. Let me go shoot this flare real quick. Let's go make sure. See if I find this guy again. Oh, I see you. Oh, lay down again. Come on, stand up. Go and get him. He's still laying down. Oh, still laying down. I'll shoot these tires out so we can't get away. Go check on my flare. Oh. He's about to start running, watch. Told you. Bam, bam, bam. Let me go get my flare. MK14, one of my favorite guns now. Look at that. That might have been a bot, but this guy's not. Come on, poke that head out. Throwing grenades. Oh, he already ran in the building. He's lucky. Oh, I hear footsteps. Oh, is he coming up? Let me smoke out. Oh, he went to my... Ooh. Howdy. One inside still. Oh, he's upstairs. Oh, oh. That was close. Almost got myself. Oh, shit. Oh, there he is. Run. Oh, he's running too. Alright. Let's rush him. Bullets left. Oh, good. Yeah, rolling on 2 flat tires. Oh, I see you. Don't try switching seats on me. Got him. 10 kills. I was over here on the bridge just messing around. Bridge camping. Nobody came though. Made my way to Pachinki. Gunshots. Head straight toward them. Oh, I see you. I see you. Oh, how didn't I hit you? I'm coming back. I'm coming back. How did he die? Oh, this one. Ooh, that was close. Oh, got sniped at. Where he at? Where he at? Oh, window. Boom. Got it on automatic. He popped me too, though. Forget about that guy. Move on. Rotate into the zone. To this building. Oh, spotted him. I'm on single shot now. Give me a shot. Oh, bam. Bam. Dropped him. Oh, window. Oh, bam. Bam. I see you. Are you running? He thought he was hiding right here. I see you. Bam. Bam. I don't know how that second shot wasn't a kill. Where you going? Oh, you going to that box? Bam. He got to get to zone. Someone's shooting over there. See where this go. Ooh, motorcycle's gone. He's coming. Oh, he killed himself. Take that ghillie suit though. One guy, one way, one. Let's go. Throw grenades. Oh, spotted it. Good 13 kill match. Thanks for your watching. Y'all like and subscribe.